Greentech is environmentally sound technologies that protect the environment, optimize the use of resources, and handle waste in a more sustainable manner. Recently, Greentech has drawn significant interest and investments driven by increasing concerns over climate change, growing regulatory emphasis on sustainability, and the urgent need for sustainable solutions. Within financial services, Greentech involves developing digital tools and platforms to facilitate green investments, encourage more, larger, and faster green lending, enhance transparency in ESG reporting, and manage climate-related risks. Demand for these eco-friendly financial services has increased dramatically, offering vast growth opportunities for the green fintech market. This year, Hong Kong released measures to develop a sustainability disclosure ecosystem, which will drive greater development and adoption of innovative ESG solutions, pave way for financial institutions and fintechs to collaborate more, and strengthen the city's standing as a green and sustainability financing hub.
Hi, Annie. Do you agree that responsible investing is no longer optional but essential? With increasing regulatory momentum, financial institutions recognize that sustainability and ESG are essential to address business challenges and maintain competitiveness. And in recent years, we have seen a growing discussion and participation in ESG-related investments, with banks launching their own and third-party ESG investment products.
Elsa, I can't agree more. At CCB Asia, we are fully committed to embracing and upholding ESG principles. As our customers becoming increasingly aware of the impact of their purchasing decision on the environment and society, we want to offer them the access to ESG products to help them meet their investment goals and help them make sustainable investment decisions as well.
Yeah, this requires a lot of due diligence. To offer more options for green and responsible products, funds need to be evaluated from an ESG and sustainability perspective.
Indeed, the lack of standardization in asset managers' report poses challenges, making it very difficult for our team to compare ESG integrated products across different funds. And without a comprehensive data access and a robust data analytics engine, there is a risk of inadvertently selling and distributing funds falsely claiming to be green and sustainable. Therefore, we are integrating BlueOnion's solution to implement a robust investment funds onboarding and ongoing due diligence process that drives ethical and impact investments.
Exactly, Annie. Together with CCB Asia, we aim to find a turnkey solution that would provide a rigorous methodology aligned with globally recognized standards. Actually, our solution runs through a 4-phase process to ensure the ESG-labeled funds being distributed bear the minimum greenwashing risks, that they must match the EU SFDR sustainability assessment criteria for ESG integration and positive impact. They also should not create a significant principal adverse impact on society. The sustainability profile should also be aligned with the customer's sustainability preference, and the bank can now monitor and review the alignment status of the funds on board daily. For example, an ESG integrated fund's alignment with the SFDR framework can be compared against its peer and a broad benchmark. Specific metrics are required to assess sustainability criteria, particularly regarding aligning the characteristics of an Article 8 fund and ESG integrated funds. The specific alignment with the EU's principal adverse impact indicators of the fund and the underlying company's alignment.
The tool is indeed powerful, Elsa. Adopting a comprehensive tool like BlueOnion's one is crucial.
I'm glad you find BlueOnion helpful, Annie. So how did you find the tool helpful with your operations?
It streamlines data mapping, enabling a consistent methodology for industry classification and a detailed analysis of fund sustainability characteristics.
Exactly. Research tasks that usually take months can now be completed in seconds. All existing ESG funds are integrated into the BlueOnion simulation engine, for stress testing, enabling banks to assess their suitability for marketing as sustainable or ESG funds without relying on specific jurisdiction criteria.
And that's why we greatly value fintech partners like BlueOnion for helping us address our challenges. This collaboration will enhance the trustworthiness of green finance for our customers and create a sustainable future.
That's wonderful, Annie.
Thank you.
Daniel, when we first start chatting, you want to ensure the latest update to the Bank of China Hong Kong's personal finance management offering was built with the planet in mind. The Belief tag within the bank's mobile apps has become an interactive platform for digital wealth management and green livings. Customers can now learn more about the carbon footprint associated with their daily spending and benchmark it against the average individual's carbon emissions. It is the first in the market, so congratulations.
Thanks, Terry. Markets are primed for a dramatic shift towards sustainability, and there's a clear appetite from our customer for information on sustainable living. So we launched Belief in our mobile banking to help them understand and reduce carbon footprint through mindful spending. Before the launch of Belief, there was no solution built into mobile banking that could illustrate the carbon impact a customer is producing with their spending in Hong Kong.
Most of the tools in the market are survey-based, so the measured results are not very accurate or meaningful to the users. And most importantly, what is missing from these tools is actually using the carbon footprint data to recommend actions that can be taken to decarbonize.
Green living is still quite new to Hong Kong's people, so they may not comprehend the carbon emission figures and how it relates to our daily life.
To make it simple and easy to understand, we found that expense-based carbon footprinting was a good way for customers to begin their journey.
Yes, we believe this was a meaningful and simple starting point for our customer. Our hypothesis was confirmed during the design process of Belief, where we use design thinking methods and interview customers from different demographics to gather their actual needs and feedback.
Yes, working together, we integrated Cogo's carbon tracking technology directly into banks' apps with a benchmarked grading format. Customers no longer need to answer long questionnaires, and the calculations were fully automated based on their actual spending habits. Belief helps them easily understand the carbon impact of their spending and recommends how to make more sustainable purchase decisions.
Belief allows us to present unified carbon footprint gradings from a total account perspective. We have also incorporated daily life activities such as phone charging and driving cars to demonstrate the customer's carbon emission for easy understanding.
Relevance and transparency are important in terms of building trust with customers. Cogo calculates carbon footprints for both individuals and businesses and can provide personalized recommendations on ways to lower carbon footprints. We did this by assigning an emission factors to each categorized transactions. These emission factors are region-specific, not global average, so customers can be assured of accuracy.
Education and raising customer awareness is important too. We began the campaign by serving customers a few bite-sized green lifestyle articles a few months before the Belief launch. The articles help simplify complex topics by explaining those relatively advanced concepts and ideas to stakeholders with very different levels of understanding.
That's right. Creating customer awareness in turn drives real adoption of the service.
By adopting Greentech, our personal banking customer now has a powerful tool right inside their banking app to track their carbon footprint, empowering them to become more aware of their environmental impact and make conscious choices for a sustainable future. We expect the solution not only boosts customers' engagement with the bank, but also support our wider goal of transitioning to a lower carbon economy.
It's a big step forward that shows how banks can lead the way in the fight against climate change by helping customers to take meaningful action. With the support of Cogo, the business opportunities is immense. And I'm sure that there will be more banks like Bank of China Hong Kong become a member of the Green Team.
It's a win for the bank and our customer as well, and most importantly, a win for the planet.
Banks in Hong Kong have a crucial role in helping their clients find the best ways to finance the low-carbon transition. They also have a clear opportunity to strengthen their regional leading position in developing innovative green and sustainable financial products. At the same time, banks should continue to adapt to technology changes and adopt the most appropriate solutions that will enable them to refine and reform their services and operations. Adopting Greentech will ensure that banks and their customers will be ready for the future.